Here we are checking out a Marcum LX6. If you notice my rod tip and you watch the screen, the minute my rod tip goes up and down, my lure, which is a Sibyl vibrato, goes up and down with it. It's instantaneous. That's in the graph mode. This yellow you see down here, those are fish. What they are is perch. They're getting all excited. They come popping out when you see some kind of a lure here off the bottom. Hey, hey. And then we also got a zoom mode in the vertical display. And you can see my jig right there, going up and down the bottom as it changes in color. And those are perch moving in and out, in and out. They're coming in to look. You'll see yellow is a weaker signal. You'll see some red in there if it's a bigger perch or a bunch of them. And they're zooming around on the bottom of the display. And Delilah's helping. What we're looking for is maybe a northern or a largemouth bass. They like to hang out here and they'll come screaming in. So, but this is a Marcum LX6. My head is about 4 feet away from the grid display, 4 or 5 feet, and I have no trouble seeing that at all. They make the LX7. It's a bigger screen. It's got more power or something, but we're in 15 feet of water. This looks pretty sensitive to me. I've got the sensitivity turned down. In fact, I'll show you. We'll crank up, and in graph mode, you get to see what it looks like. There's my jig right there. It's not a jig. It's more of a blade bait called a Sibyl vibrato. I like to put those on just to shake things up a little bit. And you can watch the tackle as it descends. It's going to do a little bit of adjusting, but hey. Delilah must have warmed up. I had her sitting in her bed on the ice here because she got a little cold. I'm jigging kind of high, and we can jig lower if we want. There we go. Just wait till the screen settles out. I like graph mode because if you look away, you can see what happened. If you're in this mode only, or in a flasher mode, you can't tell that. There's a whole pile of fish now looking at it. Everybody's getting all excited. They're coming up to take a look. There's lots of perch in this area. They hang out on the bottom. And there's another hump. See that right there? Pile of fish coming in again. You can see it on this screen, which is in zoom mode, but it's not as easy to see as it is on the graph. Anyway, that's an LX6. I'm going to continue fishing and try some different holes.